Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Wall here. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and I hope that you're having a good day. We're going to start off this morning with math. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to count by fives to 50. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, boys and girls, I want you to count with your families today by 1s to 20 and by 10s to 100. Can you do that? That's something that you can do together at home. So yesterday we talked about ways that we could put two numbers together, ways that we could add two numbers so that they made 4 in all. Do you remember that we did this yesterday? I'm going to lower this a little bit. And this is all the ways that we can make 4 by adding two numbers. We said 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 0 plus 4 equals 4. We noticed yesterday too that there's a pattern here, that we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And on this side we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have all the equal signs and we've got the same answer for all of them. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, that's a pretty cool thing to know. And today we are going to talk about, we're going to discover all the ways to make 5 with two numbers. So I need to erase this. And in the class, we've worked with something called 10 frames. It's a frame with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 10, let's call them windows. So I put some red dots in this frame here, and you can help me write a number sentence for this. Okay, so ways to make 5. Let's count these red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 5 red dots. How many empty squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Cool. What's another way we can make 5? I'm going to bring over this 10 frame. On the top we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red dots. Plus, how many red dots down here? 1 equals, how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5 also. Next 10 frame. Okay, on the top row we have 1, 2, 3 red dots. Plus, how many red dots on the bottom row? 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to get into what when I've taught first grade, the first graders always call these flip-flops. Okay. Look at this frame. 2 on the top, 2, and 1, 2, 3 on the bottom equals 5. And they called this a flip-flop because these numbers flip-flop. It went from 3 plus 2 equals 5 to 2 plus 3 equals 5. Hey, that's pretty cool. Okay, next one. Let's guess what it's going to be because we have 5, 4, 3, 2. You're right if you said 1. And then let me go down a little further here. We've got 1 on the top plus 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. What do you think 1 plus 4 equals? If you said 5, you're right. Last one. Here we go. Look at the top row. How many are on the top row here? 1, whoops, 0. 0 red dots. Plus, I can just look at the bottom to know that there's 5 red at the bottom. And what does 0 plus 5 equal? 5. Wow. Okay, now we're going to count. How many ways are there to make 5 out of 2 numbers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 ways to make 5 using 2 numbers. That took a really long time. I'm out of breath. But I thought that I thought that would be a cool thing for you to notice when you're adding numbers up, when you're adding up numbers to total 5. I have put a video in about using your fingers to add up to 5. And when you are a mathematician, mathematicians look at problems in lots of different ways. I just showed you one way that you can think about it. And this video is going to show you a couple of other ways that you can think about it. Because we all come to different math answers using our brain in different ways. So I hope you enjoy that video. And then when you're done, you're going to finish the math worksheet, which is called What's Missing? Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.